If you want to learn how to post a template in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can export your project as a template, add the right details, and publish it to the CapCut community. This is a great way to share your editing style, grow your audience, and even get your work discovered by other creators. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure the edit you want to share is completely ready. Before you publish anything, it's always a good idea to double check your timeline, text, effects, transitions, and audio. Since this will be shared as a template, you want it to look clean, polished, and easy for other people to use. Now, once you're inside your CapCut project, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap Export. This is where CapCut gives you your sharing and saving options. After you tap Export, you should see an option called Share as Template. Keep in mind that this option only appears after you've been approved as a creator in CapCut. So if you do not see it right away, that usually means your creator access has not been enabled yet. If you do have access, tap Share as Template. This will take you into the template publishing workflow where you can prepare your project for the CapCut community. At this stage, CapCut wants you to provide a few important details so your template can be properly listed and discovered by other users. Next, you'll need to add a title. Try to keep the title clear, simple, and relevant to the style of template you created. A good title helps people understand what kind of edit they're getting before they open it. After that, add a description. This is your chance to explain what makes the template useful, what kind of video it works best for, or what users should expect when they apply it. Then, choose or upload a thumbnail. Your thumbnail matters a lot because it's the first thing people notice in the CapCut community. Make sure it looks clean, attractive, and easy to understand at a glance. A strong thumbnail can help your template stand out and get more attention. Once you've filled in the title, description, and thumbnail, take one last moment to review everything carefully. Check for spelling mistakes, make sure the preview looks right, and confirm that your template matches the style you want to share. When everything looks good, go ahead and hit publish. CapCut will then submit your template to the CapCut community. After publishing, your template will be available for other users to discover and use, depending on CapCut's review and approval process. If it doesn't appear immediately, that's normal in some cases, so give it a little time and check back later. And that's it. You've now learned how to post a template in CapCut. Just remember the key steps. Open your project, tap Export, select Share as Template once you're approved as a creator, add your title, description, and thumbnail, and then publish to the CapCut community. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.